में था 1 घंटे तक पढ़ा। AC ऑफ करना।
क्यों? हाँ कर दो।
आवाज़ आएगी। AC ऑफ कर दे, पंखा ऑन कर देता थोड़ा।
हमसे ज़्यादा आते हैं
नहीं
तो 2 बार बता। ऑन करके ऑफ करके ऑफ करके
पंखा 1-2 पे चलाएंगे तो नहीं होगी आवाज़। स्वीट कैरोलाइन, देख पंखे का कम है।
let it cook.
Let me cook. Oh wait. Sakil चाहिए। Sakil is here.
इसके वो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है क्या?
Yes sir. I'm here in fashion.
मैं भी पहन लूँगा।
So do you need a pen? Do you have a pen?
I need a pen.
I don't have a pen. I need to find a pen. Holy shit, ये जल रहा है।
क्या चल रहा है?
टिप से। Pen here. Oh, you write it black, I'll write it black.
Oh हाँ.
Or draw the. Are you drawing lines?
Yeah, should I?
Why?
ऐसा होना था ना?
Wait, क्या बना रहे हो? Do you know what we're making?
नहीं.
We're writing down our goals and stuff. तो लाइक बस एक में बीच में लाइन बना दे. You write your stuff here, I'll write my stuff here.
Same goals नहीं है?
नहीं है. तेरा डिफरेंट वेट होगा ना. तेरा वेट कितना है?
ओ ये क्या बढ़िया थंबनेल है.
क्या था हमने?
बैक स्क्रीन. क्या कहते हैं?
मैं बहुत मेहनत किया.
पर फिर सारे ऐप्स हटा देना इससे. मेरी तरह रख.
How's your screen?
Nothing is there.
Oh, I can
It's
do
like
that.
this, and then open and then nothing. Oh,
Where's your stuff?
here.
Oh, I should do that. That's a good idea.
Then actually you can see. Sweet.
See, what's your weight right now?
80 तो I think 80 हो गया होगा probably. Yeah.
What's your goal weight?
69.
See, it's different. My weight is, I think.
My goal was 70, 69 I would say for the good number. When I had abs, it was 69.
Damn.
Oh, then write down goals अलग-अलग पेज में ना एक में क्यों लिख रहे हैं?
That's what I was saying.
I thought ऐसे कुछ बना रहा है. Give you a page.
Oh no, just put it in one page. You can divide it in half. That'll look cooler also.
तो ऐसे divide करते हैं.
Oh, smart.
You know, your side, my side.
Oh. Don't
I
give me
can't
smaller
see
side.
shit with this glasses.
Yes, sir. But we look cool.
Do we?
No.
Okay.
हाँ. Write down goals. Okay.
Goals?
Goals. My English. Yes. करना क्या है हमें अभी? हमें अपने वो लिखना है. Like.
Shit लिख दिया.
मैं लिखूँगा blue.
Oh sorry.
लिख दिया क्या?
Black ही
Okay, black में लिख लो आप. Okay, what is your weight right now? Like write it like this, like 80 to 69 like kg.
दिखेगा वेट इतना बड़ा. कितना बड़ा लिखूं? ऐसे लाइन.
अरे हम पॉइंट्स में लिखते जाते हैं ना. ऐसे ब्रेनस्टॉर्म कर रहे हैं काइंड ऑफ.
ओह पर फिर चिपकाएंगे क्या?
चिपका देंगे.
ऐसे टू डू बनाते हैं ना. टू डू नहीं बनाते.
अरे just write it down.
Okay,
You,
okay.
it's just to like see you have written down what you want in life.
वेट मेरे को चाहिए 80 ही होगा मेरा. मान लेते हैं भाई. वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो.
Mine is I'm taking it as 90.
69.69 लिखता हूँ.
Oh, crazy.
Yes, that's my ideal weight.
Okay, I will write down now. इतना बड़ा क्यों लिख रहा है? Okay, भाई.
Bro, मेरी राइटिंग इतनी बड़ी है. I have big writing.
What should be my goal weight? 75.
would say yes.
Or 70? You're
70.
decreasing.
See,
You're
I'm
decreasing
69.
10.
You can't be 70.
Yeah, it has to be 75.
75 at least.
My brother's 75, but he's okay.
You'll have muscles.
He's thin, yeah. So it'll be like
Hopefully you'll have muscles.
75 is a goal. Okay. Then what else? What are areas of which muscles do you want to like focus on more?
I need abs.
Okay.
I
Abs.
need a jawline. No.
How do you
I
train
can't
for a
have
jawline? Yeah, you can't train for a jawline.
But I don't need face fat.
But that just means you'll have to lower your body fat. That's anyways comes in weight. This is zero sugar.
Opium. Okay. Oh, so should I write muscles?
Yeah, just write muscles. I need to train my neck.
Yeah, it's so good. I trained it with 20 kgs. 15 kgs, sorry. 15 kgs, 20 reps, easy.
Oh damn. Okay. Not that much. Probably started 5 or 10.
What should I write? Muscles.
Muscle groups to yeah, just write
Okay,
muscles.
muscles mein firstly, oh, I know what should to write. Firstly, forearms.
Okay, you need forearms, abs, and what do you say else?
Actually, you need everything. Like legs, I
know
have.
focus like main like
Back, I have. I need things that show actually at this point. Forearms and face fat मेरे को कम करना है.
that. Don't write that. That's not a muscle.
But
Okay, it's one of your
Okay,
goals. Just
okay.
write it down. Yeah.
muscle और shoulders तो ठीक.
अरे कॉमा करके एक लाइन में लिख देता तो ठीक है.
अरे भाई.
Yeah, we're not going to write that much.
What else? Back तो अपने आप आ जाती है. Abs भी आ जाते हैं. What is abs तो लिखा ही नहीं है. Yes.
Calves. No, you have big calves.
Genetic pahadi calves.
Yes. You have
Short
good
pahadi
calves.
calves. Your turn.
तेरे अच्छे हैं. What else did you write? Abs. Okay. What all do I need? I need neck. My forearms are fine.
I need head.
My forearms are fine, right?
No, nothing is fine. You have to make it fine.
Ouch. Okay.
Arey, it's just, oh my god, motivation that was.
I know.
Ouchies.
But what neck? Thick neck.
Necromancer, have you played? Such a good game.
फेस फैट इज ऑब्वियस लाइक मुझे भी रिड्यूस करना है.
तेरा फिर भी कम है फेस फैट मेरे को कम है. मैं तो
वो
सीधे
genetic
फेस
ही
में
है ना.
लगता है.
मेरा calves भी कम छोटा है.
Chubby boy.
I need good legs. My legs are. I keep skipping legs.
Good pair of legs in you.
Yes. And something between the legs also. Of course abs. Yeah.
Abs तो
बाकी तो खुद से हो जाता है.
chest like अपनी chest.
Yes.
Guy with chubby
Yes. Man boobs. Okay. What else? How many days in a week would you train?
7.
Write out what your plan is like. PPL or
अभी तो
full
I'm not
body
going to
or-
the gym ना. अभी we are going to running.
just plan it. No.
Okay, so I'll plan it.
Plan it once you go to the gym. You can include running if you want. Be realistic,
Yeah.
and you have to focus. Like we have to like do this. Like,
What should I plan?
just like workout.
Schedule.
Yeah, just like plan, workout plan, right?
Plan.
I think mine will be PPL.
I'll divide into 2 parts. Gym and no gym.
Sunday this thing is closed.
On Sunday I'll go running. No?
Yeah.
See, even if it's a rest day, it should be an active rest day.
It should be cardio. Yeah. I get
Even
it.
if I'm not running, I'll just walk.
What do you mean walk? Till
Like
where?
walking like 10,000 steps every day. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, I'll do 10,000 steps every day. Plan is, have you seen one guy? He does steps.
Yeah, I've seen that guy.
Yeah.
Damn respect. I've seen him in the middle of the night walking.
Yeah, I've seen him too. Gym में I'll do.
The cut is going to be crazy.
Gym में I'll do PPL. L I don't have to train that much because मेरा L लग गए थे L में. खिसक गया था पाँव.
Oh,
मतलब नस मुड़ी थी, इतना भी खतरनाक नहीं हुआ था.
but still high.
PPL push pull leg and one leg में मैं ऐसे लिख देता हूँ, leg को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दूंगा मैं arms से, ठीक है.
Okay, so PPL, PP arms.
हाँ वही PP arms. I just substituted one leg with arms. Okay.
Fine, we got it.
Alright. If that is it. Then including that, I'll do abs at least twice a week. Okay, that's it. That should be the plan.
How many exercises of abs do you do?
I do 1 or 2. That's it. 1 or
Okay.
2 heavy weighted. 2 max.
I'm planning to do one every day.
If there is no gym, then I'll do like
Why are you assuming no gym? Like, that is just running and just body weight exercises, right?
20 minutes of run. Should be greater than 20 minutes of run. Okay? Greater than equal to 20 minutes of run. And should be 10k steps every day. What else? Pull-ups. 3 sets. Failure. और what else? और इसको कहते हैं core workout. That's I think that's.
I'm going to assume, wait, 10k steps every day, pull-ups, 3 sets of failures. How do you do core? Like, crunches?
1, 2, and then 3.
Okay. You're not divided then.
Core के बाद you do running. It's very easy.
Really? I assumed it would be.
No, it's
Oh,
very easy
yes.
to run the other day when you've done core. You feel like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
Oh, no, okay. PPL.
वो इसके पीछे हम वो लगा देंगे ऐसे एस्थेटिक म्यूजिक
Yeah,
तो लोग सोते सोते भी देख लेंगे.
Abs.
Why will you PPL twice? Glasses are good.
This is PPLA and PPLB. It's just something I don't know. I'm following some guy's plan. Abs, 3 times a week, and then neck also 3 times a week.
That do only 2. More chaleगा.
अरे I'm not like you can't go to failure. You're not supposed to go to failure.
Yeah, that's right.
Supposed to do it frequently.
Not do that much. मतलब कुछ होता है वो माइक टायसन का भी वीडियो देख रहा था मैंने. ठीक है.
Okay. No gym, 30 minutes run.
40 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
10k steps every day.
10 के तो नहीं होगा.
Then I can't do any pull-ups. So I'm going to do push-ups.
Buy या वो ना. वो skipping. I should try it.
Then pull-ups, like dead hangs, like what do you call those? Scapular pull-ups.
Just try pull-ups.
3 sets. And then Korea.
Korea?
Korea. Korea.
Once again, I need to add skipping.
What else?
So we have weight, we have muscle, we have plan for now.
Okay, now what are the dietary constraints?
Diet.
Do you know what your maintenance calories is?
Yeah,
How much?
27. I'll write diet. So diet में no sugar. Should I continue no sugar?
Yeah, it's good. No, it's good. for
1
you.
month from today is what? It's not my birthday, so I can go no sugar.
Maintenance calories calculator. You tell yours first. We'll check if this calculator is correct. What's your height?
अरे सेंटीमीटर में नहीं पता मेरे को.
Tell in US units.
171 होगा. नहीं 57.
57.
57.5. 0.80 हुआ.
How many
8
pounds?
अरे यार.
Arey, then height only you could have converted.
रुक जा इसी में.
How many times do you exercise?
अरे रुक जा एक सेकंड.
Daily? 4 to 5 times a week? 1 to 3 times?
Weight.
Let's assume daily.
हाँ daily obviously.
Hmm.
Active, super active. 176 pounds. 176 pounds.
What is this? Which one?
Daily exercise. Intense exercise 3 to 7.
Yeah.
No, daily रख.
Okay. Wait, I put 90 in as your age, but it's fine. Maintenance is 2700. It's correct.
So accurate है.
Calculate is accurate. How you accurate? Oh, like okay, like that. What's my height? 185. What's my weight? I'm putting 87. And oh no, same thing only. Yeah. 29.
Not too much.
I think 24.
नहीं.
2400 should be my goal.
27 should be your goal. It's fine. 27 से हो जाएगा. 2400 तो तू बहुत स्टार हो जाएगा.
होना ही है स्टार. That is the point. Right?
Then you won't sustain it.
Okay. नहीं, 0.5 kg per week is very less. Right? Okay.
Trust the process.
Okay. Write your calorie this thing maintenance and like just put like this only like arrow and then your goal calories. Yeah.
2500, right?
What was yours?
I didn't see. 2500 was there. 27 was the maintenance.
Yeah, 2600.
It changed.
No, it's the same.
Change
your
नहीं
age.
हुए.
Oh, sorry.
167, 5 नहीं 176 pounds.
It went to up to the
Daily.
default.
Yeah.
27.
2500. Okay.
27.
That's maintenance.
Yeah, 27 to 25, right? Like
That's
arrow.
not that thing. I don't think I'm at maintenance. आज ही मैंने 14 पूरी खाई.
Damn. What is the point of quitting sugar?
Exactly. I'll die, but in other ways.
And what are your dietary constraints? Like,
My dietary constraints are no sugar. Okay, I won't have a puri.
huh?
No puri also. I put puri.
Does that actually change anything? It's like a cheat day, only, right?
I do 14 puris without burping.
That's a cheat month.
14 के बाद ही मन करता है कि चलो एक और खा लेता हूँ.
How do you not explode? No sugar, no puri. What else? Anything else? Anything you crave? Chips.
हाँ, no junks.
No processed food like that.
नहीं, junks also.
Puff वगैरह तो चलता है. नहीं.
For me, you won't. I see you. Okay, no junks. No.
What is junk? Like, is vada pav junk?
नहीं, वड़ा तो not junk.
Is puff a junk? How? What is the difference?
Okay, puff is not a junk, but for me it is a junk. Puff नहीं खाना है. और okay, I'll list down. Sugar junks में हो गया puff, processed.
Like processed food in the sense like packaged food, right?
Packaged food.
Yeah, okay.
And what else can be junk? Any oily stuff. Oily stuff.
What if you go out for a party?
I won't.
For how long? You'll eventually go, right?
Yeah, but I'll go on my birthday.
So, you'll eat
And my
oily food
friend's
over there, right?
birthday. This is on a good day, no?
Okay, this is not perfect day.
This is on every day except that one day.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Like I'm not. रुक जा पूरा तो दिखा दे.
Oh,
What else can you avoid?
what else can we avoid?
इतना ही है इसके इतना.
I'm going to put ordering, no ordering food. Like if you won't go for dinner, otherwise just starve.
Die.
Oh no, sorry, not that much, but like no Maggie and all, no ordering food.
That comes in junk one.
No. If I want to eat something else other than mess food, I have to go and eat. I'm not going to order.
What
That's it.
It changes anything.
Yeah, it does change
But
for me. I don't know what it changes, but it's like that 10 minutes walk after food, right? I don't know, it just चढ़ता नहीं है for me. कुछ तो logic है.
Bro science.
Bro science. मैं क्या था 2900 to 2700.
200 कैलोरी एक्स्ट्रा खा सकता है आजकल. क्या होता है 200 कैलोरी का?
तेरा भी 200 ही है. 250 से तेरा इनफैक्ट.
मैं कह रहा हूँ तो 200 कैलोरी एक्स्ट्रा खा सकता है मेरे से.
ओ वैसे
Food under 200. किलो कैलोरी तू 1/4 कप ऑफ नट्स खा सकता है
I can eat 2 apples basically.
Oh yeah, go for it.
No packets.
Oh, apple और peanut butter खा सकता है। बर्गर में 200 से तो ज़्यादा ही होगी, बता दो। बहुत कुछ तो नहीं खा सकता तू भी, एप्पल ही खाएगा तो क्या खाएगा? No ordering food.
And no Maggi. What else do I eat? No chips. And that comes under package, but still I'm not specifying. Even Maggi comes under some package. What else?
Almonds also come in package.
You get what I mean, like junk food. No sugar. No no soft drinks. So no Pepsi Black.
No zero sugar.
Yes, no done.
No cheating or no sugar.
Yeah, this is basically not cheating. It's like a hack. It's not cheating. Cheating would be eating sugar.
That's what. Alright, somebody said.
Yeah. Next one.
Yeah. What-
Deadline. What's the deadline to achieve these goals?
What is deadline?
By when do you want to achieve these goals?
Whenever this happens. I can't fast forward weight loss.
You can have a goal date in mind, right? Like 1st January.
1 month. 18th October.
You can lose 10 kgs in 1 month.
I can't.
What are you saying? Can you?
Oh, that's what I mean. You can't do.
Yeah. What do you scare me? Like 3 months, I would say. 3 months is enough, right? Is it not?
I don't know. मेरे को कैलकुलेट करना है. 10 kg घटाना है ना मेरे को. Let's see. Let's ask Google. Ideal time to reduce 10 kg. Ideal duration. Duration to reduce 10 kg. हाँ, 5 months. 2.5 to 5. So 3 महीना should be enough.
David Goggins lost like how many pounds is it? I think like 50 or 60 pounds he told in 3 months. No, not in 3 months, like 2 months or something.
David Goggins का काम ही वही है.
But like the whole day he was in this thing, the cycling machine. That's what he told. हाँ true, वो तो है उसका काम ही वही है.
2 साल लिखा है भाई.
ए वो उनके लिए होगा like thyroid.
बॉर्डरलाइन स्टारवेशन के बाद 5 महीना लिखा है.
ए
बॉर्डरलाइन स्टारवेशन प्लस एक्सरसाइज 3 महीना. ऑलराइट, वर्क्स फॉर मी.
borderline starvation नहीं भाई.
सुसाइड बॉम्बिंग 0.02 seconds.
लिखा है क्या?
लिखा है.
What is like you're searching on Quora, so of course.
Quora is what Reddit is what Quora wants to be.
Yes.
But it can't be. क्या
Yeah,
है
it is
भाई?
wanna be Quora. God damn, that's me. So we're both cutting, right?
Yeah.
I mean, of course, but okay. What is the last thing? How are we going to keep each other accountable?
डेडलाइन कितना?
Deadline, keep it as 3 months, no? What is today's date in 3 months?
वो डेडलाइन ही रखते हैं. देख, हम क्या रखते हैं वो करते हैं.
क्या?
रिव्यू रखते हैं. Are you getting what I'm getting? Review.
13 December.
उससे प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू होता है ना कंपनीज में.
हाँ.
चेक करते हैं कि कैसी प्रोग्रेस है, क्या
तो per month,
पर
per
वीक
week.
करते हैं. पर वीक तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही पता ही नहीं चलेगा.
Per
पर
month.
मंथ रिव्यू.
पर 2 weeks का ना. 1 kg तो lose हो जाएगा 2 weeks में.
एक से ज़्यादा ही हो जाएगा भाई. अगर मैं भाग जाऊँ रोज तो एक से बहुत ज़्यादा रिव्यू लिख देता हूँ.
Like monthly review या 2 weeks?
Bi-weekly
Bi-weekly.
Bi-weekly review.
Bi-weekly review.
Bi-weekly means
Goal-
twice
goal
in a
फिर भी
week
होना
or
चाहिए.
2 in week.
भाई गोल होना चाहिए मंथ का. हाँ नहीं, दिस रिव्यू इज एक्चुअली बेटर. यस नो. हाँ बाई वीकली का दोनों मतलब हो सकता है, क्योंकि जो लीड कोड का कॉन्टेस्ट है वो बाई वीकली बोलता है. बट बाई वीकली कैन ऑल्सो मीन ट्वाइस इन अ वीक.
नहीं, गलत लिख दिया.
कुछ तो
Every
yeah.
2 week.
oh, if someone skips on anything, the other person puts like I am something on their story, like saying like I failed today.
Oh.
That's it. Like, yeah. Just that much. Like it shouldn't be like crazy, but like I failed today on their story.
Yeah, this is good. Oh, this is good. Oh. But somebody should not fail.
No, you shouldn't fail.
Don't fail.
Why? That's very embarrassing. Because you have like 9,000 followers. I failed today randomly. I'll just put equal to. Yes. It drives us right. Okay, bye.
मेरी साइड लग रहा है बच्चे ने लिखा है
कौन?
क्रेयॉन से बच्चे लिखते हैं ऐसा लग रहा है
अरे और here we'll keep this thing. Like yours is 80, right? So the like 2 weeks later, what is your weight? And 2 weeks later,
we'll do it in new page.
No, we'll write it here only. It's nice.
Oh, one more thing.
Goal भी लिख दे कि like when we come back, like what is the first date? 3rd January.
My goal is. Oh, somebody commented.
Let's keep it as 3rd January. That's the day we come back after like for 6-7.
Oh, फिर छुट्टी भी है क्या बीच में?
2nd December to 3rd January.
मेरा तो गोल अक्टूबर भी है 18 अक्टूबर एक गोल है मेरा.
You can write multiple.
Oh, let me be 69 kg on 18th October. Let's see.
No. Keep it like actually.
I'll do it. I'll fucking do it. Goal.
You're gonna kill your like you're gonna starve. There's no point. You're gonna lose muscle mass. You won't lose fat.
18 October.
Don't like
70 kg still.
70. Sorry.
Dream. You let it.
Don't. Why are you doing this?
I need some unrealistic stuff. Shoot for. I do this.
I told
this
you
for me.
let's keep it unrealistic, but even I also need it. That's why I said even I need a goal.
Now a realistic goal. This is not a dream. I'll just be delusional.
Yeah, then don't put a real goal. Be delusional.
Yeah, okay.
Even I'll be delusional. What's 1 month from now?
12 October.
What's 2 months from now? 13th of
December, October,
12th November. Wow. Rotate हो रहा है तुम्हारा. I think around 12th November my gym ends.
Okay.
Yeah. So whenever my gym ends, by that time I should be.
Look at this transformation.
I can't see. I'm wearing my non-chashma.
Okay, right. First of November. Why first though? 77 kgs. What are you right?
87.
I'm 90 right now.
No, I mean I wrote 90. It's actually lower. It's like 86. Plus I'm taking creatine, so if I stop creatine, it just reduce dramatically.
It does not.
Yeah, it does.
After it stays there.
I lost 2 kgs when I stopped taking. Like
Ekdam se
immediately
it goes.
in 1 week. Yeah, because it just stores water in your body.
Does it?
It's
Oh.
water weight. You're just pissing it out.
Okay. See the transformation. You can't see itna ganda aa gaya.
My power is 3. Whoa.
She looks like Haley from
Modern Family.
Got it. Okay. Sign here.
Chaotic stuff. Okay.
Okay,
So
let
the
go.
GoPro overheated. We're going to continue.
Camera
what
was
I said.
too hot.
The camera was too hot to handle this. Yeah. Sign. I think that's it, right? We don't have anything else. Oh, yeah. I don't know if we said it on camera, but we're going to keep each other accountable by putting, like, if someone fails on any of these tasks, then we'll put I failed today on the other person's story, like the person who failed.